Okay, I think let's now welcome on the show our experts Ajay Bagga as well as Gaurav Bissa of LKP Securities. Gentlemen, thank you so much for taking our time and joining us.
Gaurav, this week, if we've seen our markets, actually it's moved in tandem with what rest of the Asia was doing. Like Mubina mentioned, you had the China crackdown on education, on tech, on property stocks. So you saw that sort of trickle in into the Indian markets as well as in a part of that concern. But how are markets looking like going ahead? Do you think the Nifty will be able to surpass the 15,800, 15,900 levels anytime soon?
Hi. If you look at the Indian market or the Indian markets in perspective, comparing to the other Asian markets or the US and European markets, we have been in slightly smaller terms, we have been underperforming for the one reason that if you see US markets, especially S&P 500 or Dow Jones for that matter, you will see that after a small consolidation, we saw a previous high being crossed and we made fresh highs in terms of S&P 500 and Dow Jones. That was not the case. We made a high of around 15,950 and we have been struggling. Yes, we have been holding on to those levels of 15,600 quite stringently. And that is the reason why, as Jessel also said in the beginning, that when the world markets are at high levels, they tend to see some amount of confusion to the emerging markets. And that is what is happening in Indian markets as well. The strength in US market is not letting Nifty or Bank Nifty fall to a great extent. On the other hand, our domestic issues are not giving a push for Nifty to go towards the level of 16,000. So in my opinion, the range for Nifty is still going to be 15,600, 16,000 levels. It is going to be futile. See, moving 100 points is just a matter of time, right? We were up 70, 80 points today. We were down minus 20 points at the end of the day. So 80, 90 points volatility is what we are seeing every day, minimum 100 points volatility. So that becomes a very small point. But the more important question is the last 5 to 6 weeks, if you look at the option chain, 16,000 call writers have been comfortably writing options and making money. If this level were to be crossed, I don't think it will be crossed right away. It has to be with a gap because then the option writers will go for covers. So in my opinion, the range will still stick between 15,600 to 16,000 mark. And I would play once it gives a closer of 16,000, then it makes more sense to be aggressive in Nifty. Otherwise, stock specific is what I would be looking for.
So, Gaurav, which other sectors can one look at? This week we saw Nifty Metal outperform. Also, you had a lot of global factors back that particular index, 6% up move this week. Do you think the Nifty Metal outperformance can continue in weeks ahead?
If you look at the daily or the weekly charts for Nifty Metal Index, you will not find too much of a chart analysis for the reason it has moved vertically, right? It's gone one way up. But the details or the main interesting aspect lies in the hourly charts or smaller time frame charts. What you see in Nifty Metal Index is that there is a very strong upside. Then you have a small consolidation, small dip, and then it keeps revolving, rotating around a small range on hourly charts, and again continues. In my opinion, we can see some more upside, but I would not be too gung-ho about at least the FNO names in the metal space because they have seen a strong move. If somebody has bought, it's meaningful to hold on to those names. But fresh entry, I think at this stage would become difficult because the supports are much lower. Some of the other names, something like Tata Steel BSL, that has formed a good basing around levels of 88, 89. So if that is sustained, 15-20% upside in Tata Steel BSL is what can be expected. So names which are not in FNO, they are still showing some signs and they can see some more upside, and that is where my focus is.
Okay, thank you for that, Winnie. And it's time for a break on this edition of Your Trades. But before that, we